Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today is part 7, I think, after got Agapanthus from seed. Today I'm just going to be showing you how well everything is getting on. I just want to show you these first. This is the third year. I think these started in 2019. Uploaded my first video about these. As you can see, it's really thickening up nicely. You go down here, see the first flower bud, which is absolutely amazing. Spin round, these are thickening up nicely. I want to show you some that I got from the Harrogate Flower Show. This was several years ago. This is called Queen Mum, I think, this one. And this has beautiful white with blue centres. So they're doing really well. Spin round some more here. And then spin round here. This one has had foxgloves in it, which I've just pruned back. These self-seeded, so hopefully they'll come back next year. As you can see, nice flower bud there. Then we come down here to my little bench that I made just to raise them up off the ground so they get a bit of sunlight. As you can see, they're thickening up nicely. These, I've got 3 here with flower buds on. This one, as you can see, is going to be a blue or a purple. You can tell that with the outer case. And this one, with it being the lightest green, I should imagine it's going to be white. Same with that one. But yeah, they are going really, really well. Some down here, these are bluey purple, and you can see that one just opening up. So you see pods there. So yeah, out of all these, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, probably 5 or 6 flowers. These might produce flower buds yet. See in there, that's when you're looking for them, like you can see there. If you want to look down the centre, that's where they produce it from. So yeah, these might produce flowers yet, hopefully, the other ones. Come back around here, folks, sorry about this. So yeah, as you can see, these have been in here a couple of years. They get all these gnarly roots on them, not to worry about it, and produces amazing flowers. But like I said, it's taken 3 years to get these first flowers, but I'm hoping it's going to be well worth it. And I'm so excited, I can't wait. Every time I come out, I think it has it open, hasn't it? But it's got to grow a lot more than that yet. But these pots they're in, well and truly pot bound. I was going to put them all in pots this size. Move this one up, put some petunias in there, just to get some colour in. But there isn't any sign of any flowers in there yet. But they'll flower next year, it's not the end of the world. Looking at these ones. None in there, what about there? Nope, let's look at this one. You get the new growth, you see, down in the centre. Look down there. Nope. Like I said, if they don't flower this year, they'll definitely flower next year. So yeah, that's just a quick catch up on my Agapanthus, all grown from seed. If you've got any questions about anything in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching your support. It's always appreciated. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.